Good morning. So it's a Tuesday. I don't know the date. Nimetoka kuamka saa hii. Even if you take a look at my eyes, they are red. Today tunaenda shambani kupanda mahindi. I don't know if it is maize or something else, but that's what we are going to do. What else? If you feel this is a waste of time for you, enda ukalale ama ukalipe tax ujenge nchi ama sina kitu ya kusema, but anyway, hata usisubscribe. Toka mbio, funga hiyo tab, switch ama uskip ads. The cold is overworking more than the devil. Inasema tu nyinyi hamnijui. So nimevaa like a light sweater inside and then this big one. We have just arrived and it has started raining, and as you can see from that short video, the moment we were arriving is when the cows were, yani ng'ombe ndo zilikuwa zinatoka tukifika. So right now zinapewa hay like two bales, then they go to the fields. Alafu next up mbuzi ndo zinadungwa sindano. Let me show you. Two bales of hay before they go out to the field. Alafu sa kondoo na mbuzi ndizo ziko next up zidungwe sindano. Sijui ni sindano ya nini, but zitadungwa sindano. Then from there on pia hizo zitoke zikaekae. I don't know if they'll be given salt today. Sijui zikikaka pia hizo nazo ziende malishoni. So I left off when I was eating breakfast. So after breakfast I took a short nap. Right now it's around to 11:30ish. So there was a dam that was chimboed last year somewhere here nearby. So we are going to check. There is somebody who is planting some grass on the dam, and we are just going to check if the dam, okay, currently kumekuwa kukinyesha but huko hakujakuwa kukinyesha sana, so we want to see if the dam has gotten some water, even if it's a little bit, and then afterwards we come and do something else. Good morning, day 2 over here at the farm. So I've already woken up. It's around kitu 8ish, so I woke up, tukaenda tukakaunt mbuzi na kondoo kama tu jana. So saa nimerudi, nataka nitandike kitanda yangu mbio mbio, nifagie huku kwangu since it's been long. The place is very dusty. I be so bold myself, then you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, step when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, but can we just rub it out? I don't want no steady with you, you know you my thug and I can't shake what's happening up. I've been up, baby. Every reminiscing, every you're missing, you wishing. This is what a modern ushago bathroom toilet type of situation looks like. As you can see, this karai is very, very old. I remember my grandfather telling me he got it now come 1980s, and it's the one we are still using to this day, because there is a provision for a shower here, but most of the water that we use on the farm is rainwater, so we prefer just bathing with this one kawaida. The toilet is a modern one, and that's it. That's just the whole bathroom setup. Aka nika soap dish, na mtungi pale chini ya kuweka maji ya kupoesha, hii hapa ikiwa moto.
It's just you and I, while I take a stride through your life.
It's day 3 at the farm, and yesterday nilishikwa na homa, so I guess today is the final day. By 10-11 we will have gone back home. So today I've woken up late, hata nimetoka tu usingizi saa, as you can see from my eyes, but I misiguzi maji venye homa imeni ravage usiku. Then at least I've slept peacefully because it has rained the whole night. It's still even drizzling right now. So I guess today there is no activities that I'm going to be doing, even cooking. I am tired bwana, just want to go home, nitulie tu sasa, nilalelale homa iishe. The tractor was disassembled yesterday, lakini when it was being disassembled I wasn't here, nilikuwa nafanya kazi, so I don't even know ni nini na nini ilikuwa imeharibika unless niulize, but sitashindania. So this is how this is like half of the tractor is here, the other half iko huko, ainda block nikifikiria. And this other side ndo hawa mang'ombe leo hawajaekewa food. Leo hawana food, ama ni mimi nimechelewa, labda waliekewa, because today I woke up late. Ama aje maua. this is a heap of manure. So all the manure that is removed from the goats and sheep's kiugo and from the cows one inaletangwa hapa, inakuwa piled. And see, this is the heap. Now this is the manure that will be reused huko kwa shamba. Let me take you to the shamba. This is where the beans, maize and sorghum was being planted. Hapa sasa, as you can see, the beans are already sprouting, some maize is already sprouting over here. Then that is the dam. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Some storage, rainwater tanks. This is like a, I don't know if it is a 10,000 liter tank or something like that. Finally, ni the chickens. Ndio magaidi. The chickens. He is the biggest one of them all. Yeye ndo anapenda kusumbua kijiji huku. Then there is this one. These two small white chicken. Hutu tunakuanga tukali sana. What they like in size, they compensate in hunger. Wow, wananiona wanapoteza. All the chicks stay inside with their mothers. You can see all of them. There is no chick that is outside. Here's our Bosco of the farm. Bosco. Let me go and show you the other two. There are 3 Boscos. I can't remember their names at the moment. Let me hurry up before my phone dies. The other 2 Boscos. This is a generator used for spraying the animals. I don't know what this thing is called, but it's not a leap. It sprays something. We're going to the other 2 Boscos. Bosco, there they are. Focus. Hey, my camera is not focusing. There you go. That one is a German Shepherd. At the back there, my camera is not focusing. And then this one is a Boer Bell. She's a female, he's a male. And then the other one I was showing you is also a German Shepherd. I don't know if he's a male or a female. Kuna kakuku kamelalia mayai hapa. There she is. And this is the old kitchen where I was cooking lunch yesterday. So I guess that's it. See you when you see me in the next vlog. For all who have watched up to this point, I want to say thank you for supporting my small YouTube channel, and share, like and subscribe.
Egypt, 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 Egypt.